What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and I've got the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and you guys know that my go-to case and screen protector combo is generally a Whitestone Dome screen protector with an Urban Armor Gear case. That being said, if you were to go with the Monarch Urban Armor Gear case and a Whitestone Dome, you're looking at about $100 to protect your Galaxy Note 10 Plus. There are so many options when it comes to cases and screen protectors. You guys also know that I'm a big fan of Elixir Sentinel series. This comes with both a tempered glass screen protector and a case, so you get 360 degrees of protection for only $20. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description of where you can pick this up over at Mobile Fun. Big shout outs to Mobile Fun for sending me this case and screen protector. I'm going to show you guys really quickly how to apply the screen protector, and we'll look at compatibility with the finger scanner. This is the ultrasonic finger scanner, so it may or may not actually work with this tempered glass screen protector, but we're going to give it a try and see how everything works. All right, so in the box we do get an installation guide for the screen protector. We get all of our cleaning supplies for cleaning off the phone and preparing the phone for the screen protector. We do get this tempered glass screen protector, and one thing that I noticed here is there is a little cutout for the fingerprint scanner. I don't know if you can see that there, but there is like a little circular cutout there. You can kind of see it, but I'm not really sure because this feels like solid glass there, so I don't know if that's just maybe on the sticky there's a cutout there, but we're definitely going to test out how this works with the fingerprint scanner, because that's one of the most important parts of the Note 10 Plus is that ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. So we'll set that to the side, and then you do have the Sentinel case. This is just a standard TPU case. It has this brushed metal look with the carbon fiber accents on the top and bottom, perfect cutouts all around, and this is just going to add a little bit of drop protection to your phone. So we'll set the case to the side for now. We'll go ahead and prepare our phone for applying the screen protector. So we're going to go ahead and turn it off so that we're not distracted by the screen. All right, so first up we're going to use the alcohol wipe, and we'll follow that up with the little dust cloth. So I always like to take the dust cloth here and get any extra lint off the cloth before I use it. And we'll wipe this down really good with our alcohol pad, making sure we get all the grease and dirt off the screen. All right, and then we'll take our dry cloth and remove all the excess alcohol. Okay, next up, the instructions say that we should put the phone inside the Sentinel case, so we'll go ahead and do that. And we'll wipe it down again. So next up, we'll take our dust sticker, and we're gonna get any dust that might be on the phone. Any dust that's left behind will be trapped underneath your tempered glass screen protector, and it's just going to be an annoyance because you won't be able to remove that dust. So make sure you get all the dust off your screen. I'm pretty satisfied with that. See, there's one more piece there. So next up, we will prepare our tempered glass screen protector. On the same piece of paper here, you've got a couple of guides. So you'll stick that to the front of the screen. This is going to help you to position the screen protector perfectly on the phone itself. All right, next up, we're going to peel the back carefully off the screen protector. All right, and as soon as that's been removed, we're going to immediately try to line everything up as perfectly as we can. Okay, so we're aligning the camera hole. There's a little punch there, so you want to make sure you get that aligned, and you can just kind of check the alignment here. The instructions say that we're going to press the four corners and then press down on the edges. So my main concern was with the fingerprint scanner and whether or not it would actually work with this $20 case and screen protector. It's one of the most important parts of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is being able to use that ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and we know that not all screen protectors will work with the fingerprint scanner. So right now we're going to go ahead and test it out. So I'll lock the phone and we'll see if it works, and it does. So it looks like the fingerprint scanner works perfectly fine with the Sentinel case and screen protector. So for quite an incredible value, $20, you can get both a case and a screen protector and have 360 degrees of protection with your Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The quality on this looks perfect. I'm not seeing any color loss or any clarity loss. It seems to have really adhered to the screen very well, so I'm not seeing any air bubbles or anything like that. Overall, this looks great. They also sell the screen protector by itself for, I think it's $15. We'll check the compatibility with another case like an Urban Armor Gear case, just to kind of see. And I don't see any lifting after installing the Urban Armor Gear case. And if you look at the, I'm not sure if you can see from there, but it looks like the edges just almost touch the case, and they just barely don't touch the case. So that means that taking this case on and off should be fine with this screen protector. I don't think we're going to see any lifting. So this is also compatible with other cases if you wanted to purchase just the screen protector. I also think that if you do go with just a screen protector, they will give you more than one. I think it comes in a pack of 2, if I'm not mistaken. And there again, it is a solid piece of glass, so that's not a hole cut out in the glass, even though it may appear that way in the video. I don't know if that's just extra adhesive right there where the fingerprint scanner is or what. You can definitely tell a distinct circle there, but it is one solid piece of tempered glass. Anyhow, guys, that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time a new video is released. Thanks, guys, for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.